Hello, this is Amelia, and your technotherapy tip right now is about Excel. This is a thing that I see happen and is very frustrating. You get a list, and I'm going to use my B2B synergy group. You get a list of names, maybe from your company, and the names are in two separate fields, first name and last name, and you really wanted a single field with only the entire name in it. So I'm going to show you an automatic feature in the latest version of Excel that'll let you do this without any kind of coding at all. The feature is called Flash Fill. So what I'm going to do is in the very next cell, I'm going to type the name, and this is free press to everyone in my B2B Synergy group. As soon as I type the S in the next name, you see how it auto-filled everything down below it? If I hit the Enter key right now, it automatically filled in all of the names. I'm going to delete this entire column and show you that again a little differently. I'm going to do it again. Tyler. Now this time when I start to type, you see it autofills, but let's pretend I didn't notice it because that could easily happen. And I keep typing. And it disappears. Now it's gone and I can't use that feature, so I'm going to hit enter. The way to use that feature now is to go over here to fill and then flash fill. And it'll fill it all in for you. This doesn't only work with the full name. It works, for example, last name, comma, first name. It also works, I'm going to delete this, for example, first initial, last name. You can do the same thing with addresses. You can pull out zip codes. You can pull out phone numbers. And I'm also going to show you one more while we're doing this. Let's get the full name back. Let's pretend instead of having two separate names that you have only the full name and you wanted two separate names. It does the same thing. So this time I'm going to take the full name and I'm just going to type the first names. And I'm going to hit enter. And then in the next cell, and again, I'm going to forget and keep typing and get to the next one and hit fill, flash fill. And it'll fill it all out. And that's it. You can use flash fill. I hope this is helpful.